What's something that when done right can make your impact 10 times greater, but whenever it's done badly, it'll make you look like a fucking idiot? Well, communication. I might have made myself look like a fucking idiot just now, but that's part of the journey that I'm on right now, and I want to take you on that journey with me to learn how to communicate with great articulation and expertise. And after consuming hundreds, maybe thousands, probably tens of thousands of hours of podcast content, random garbage, I've come to the conclusion that they're all saying the same exact shit, except they're just doing it over and over and over. If you listen carefully to all these podcasts and everything online, you'll begin to see the pattern where they're saying the same exact thing over and over and over. And that's how they become articulate. They've practiced hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of times saying the things that they say, citing these sources that they cite, and to the untrained ear, it looks very impressive. And it is impressive, don't get me wrong. It takes many hours of practice to come up with this veil, but when it is constructed, it looks indestructible. It sounds just incredible to hear, very pleasing to the ear, and you sound extremely credible. This extends to the corporate industry very, very well, and I've seen it firsthand. I mean, my technical ability it's good, but it's not the best. I wouldn't say I'm the best software engineer on the planet, but I have gotten as far as I have due to my style of communication. I have a very relatable style of writing, and for example, if I wrote some code and I have some back and forth in a code review, I can pretty easily explain what I'm doing to other people in layman terms. And this is very valuable in the technical industry where everyone really skews to using jargon. And this can help in any facet of life. So my message to you today is that we're going to be practicing our speaking skills every day. Hopefully, I'm going to try to keep myself accountable here. I'm going to try to make a video at least every couple days to just practice this art of articulation. And the steps here are that we're going to choose a group of words that we want to associate ourselves with. So for example, if you want to sound like Jordan Peterson, you want to sound like Chris Williamson, you want to sound like Alex Hormozy, you can probably just ask ChatGPT the 100 top words that influencer uses. And then it'll spit out those words. And then we can incorporate those words into our language for the next year or two, slowly. And eventually, those words will become cemented into your vocabulary, and you'll be able to use them freely. And also, just, for example, okay, this is an example of me not having enough practice, right? I'm honestly just winging this. And I'm pretty impressed with what I got to so far. This is 4 minutes in, almost 4 minutes, and I just started bumbling. You know, a few days ago, I would have been bumbling almost right away. So yeah, we're going to be choosing some words and experimenting with ourselves in this journey to becoming articulate. It's not. I mean, I'm not saying you're not intelligent. I'm not saying I'm unintelligent. I'm just saying that you don't need intelligence to sound articulate necessarily. So maybe I'm wrong, and at the end of this experiment, I'm going to still sound like a fucking idiot, but we're going to see. Hopefully, you do better than I do, and I look forward to seeing your progress at the end as well. So let's go on this journey together. Leave your comments as to who you want to sound like. I'm going to leave a comment saying who I want to sound like too. There's probably going to be like a combination of people that I look up to that I want to sound like. So let's go.